We're gonna use this tool when we have recorded different video tracks of the same project, only using one of the tracks as a reference. In my example, I have 3 video tracks. One that is the main video track, and the other 2 are some features that capture the inputs of my mouse and what I push on my keyboard. So we're gonna create a new project. For that, we go in this part and click in here, create project, new project in here, and here we have the Filmora interface. Now, with my 3 videos, I will have to import every single video. Once the 3 videos are imported, I've dropped them in the timeline. The order does not really matter. In my case, it's gonna ask me if I keep the resolution of the project, that is 25 frames per second, or to match the media 60 frames per second. I will match the media. In this case, we have in here the preview and we import the other 2 projects. Once we have the 3 videos imported in here, as you see in here, and I have dropped them in the timeline, in my case, I will have to apply chroma effect to both this one and this one, videos 1 or 2. For that, I will head to this part in here and I'm gonna click on AI tools. I click on chroma key and I can choose the color that the chroma is gonna detect. Same for this video as well. I click on the chroma key and now we have the video without the green screen. Once I have done the, let's say, minimal adjustments to the other 2 videos, I'm gonna select the reference video. In my case, is this one here, the only one that has audio. I click on it and I'm gonna reach up here on the part that says tools, then audio, and silence detection, this part in here. A new window will appear. We're gonna analyze the video. In here we click and the analysis process will begin. It will start detecting the sounds, and as you can see, once it has detected the silence, it's cutting the video track in multiple clips without the silence. Once the process is finished, you see that the video track is divided in many clips. So we're gonna click in here and finish and replace. And as you see in the timeline, there is these little clips here that are part of the reference video track. Now all the silence is gone. Now we would like to apply the same stuff for both this one and this one. For that, we have to save our project. So we click Ctrl S and a new window will appear. In this case, I'm gonna save it in here with the name Sync Testing 1. Okay, we are in the folder where the project is saved. As you can see, it's a WFP file. Now, we're gonna open our application, Filmora Sync Pro. We push enter on the keyboard and a new window will appear. By default, it's in Spanish, but you can change it to English in this part in here. You click in here and now the application is in English. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna click up here where it says click to open a Filmora WFP file. Click on it and you're gonna locate where you saved the previous file, In my case, it's this one. Sync Testing 1. We open the file and in here you can see that it identifies both video 2 and 3. These 2 tracks are the ones that the silence cuts are gonna be synced. It will not show the reference track. We also have in here some options like copy silence cuts and keep all video properties. Copy silence cuts is the main feature, while keep all the video properties is to keep properties like position, scale, or in my case, the chroma key stuff to remove the green screen. And now we go to process and save WFP. A new window will appear. I suggest you not to overwrite the file because it might damage the system, because you might want to have like a drafting, this one, the original file. But by default, it says the file name with the add-on of sync. You click on save and a new window will appear. Once the project is saved, it says project saved and it says the location in here. Open the file in Filmora. Accept, we close the application and we can close the original file, with the tracks where it's only the reference track. If we close the project now, we can now open the new file. For that, we're gonna head to the right part on the top of the window. You click on open project, we locate the sync project, click on it, open, and the file is opening. And as you see, the other 2 videos have the cuts sync with the reference video. It's not magic, it's an add-on for you. You can download this in Gumroad and consider to support for future videos. Also, what add-on or application do you need me to create? I'll be reading you. See you then in the next video.